When I die, don't hintay me. I know. I play this na. I play this na eh. To the wrong side. No! Look at this map. It's here eh. I can't escape. It's here. The Karen is here. And I got stuck.
Where?
Here. Bruh.
I need skins.
I'm going to wait for you. I'm going to wait for you. Do you need help ba? You sure ah? This is too easy, too hard. You okay na? Bro, I die. Okay. There's ano ha? Fast and you have to go to war. Bro. Watch my. Na lang. Watch my. Oh, that's the wrong one. I know, I just saw it. But I thought you want the electric fan. Which one do you want ba talaga? Yeah, but the Labubu is mahal. It's 13K. 13,000. Bakit? Why?
You know why I said that you doesn't act like
Why?
because that was 1,000 million pesos.
I got a discount eh. It's like I bought it for, it was it was tawag, no, I can't. Because that's the only one. They won't buy another one. They're not going to buy another one. Kasi, yeah, she will only buy one. Yeah. Kasi pupunta pa silang Divisoria. Tapos malayo yun. Super malayo. Super malayo. Sa Divisoria. Kailangan mo pa sila sa lolo mo. It's like you have to go to an airplane. So yeah. It's malayo. And it's not here too. Because they have to pay.
Bro, I got caught.
Yeah. No, I didn't get caught. Nahulog ako. Okay, whenever you die, you get this. No, the Karen is not here. Napupunta lang.
You tried to
I'm going to the other side. Okay. I don't eat pancit canton na eh. Kasi sabi sa akin ng lola ko, bad daw yun sa akin. Yeah. I can only eat noodles once lang. I can only eat sometimes. I got 20 na. Bro.
I'm gonna get mine.
Okay. You can do something muna. Be,
What?
she was a fairy. Tin, tin.
You didn't.
Bro, be,
Go with the freak.
they're twins.
Yeah.
She was a fairy.
Because last time in real one, there's a boy just like only Hedda. It's only named Hedda, not Karen. There's something like that. And you're in level, what level is that?
I don't know.
This is the
Ano?
level? I think it's level 1.
Chapter 10.
Oh, if you reach chapter 10, that will happen.
Ay, na chapter 10 na ako. There's 12. Ah. 2 na lang. I'm going to win na. Finally.
I think you're gonna reach to
Yes. Anong part 2? Yung dog?
No, not the dog, the head. Just like what I said, the boy head, which is only bones. I play because they have part 2 eh.
Matagal na ako hindi naglalaro ng Roblox. So I only play Roblox sometimes. Oh my god! It has a body and a hand.
Ball.
There's lava.
This one too?
Yes. I'm going to watch na lang.
Why?
Because I want to watch. And my friend will text me later.